Hey everybody, here we are. Made it to Montebello. Gonna turn on the Volkswagen here. 32,405. We're gonna go to so we got a quarter tank. Alright. Cold start. Got a gallon of gas. Gonna go to the gas station. Gonna go for a quick rip. Closing the trunk. That's what the cold start sounds like. There's the exhaust, no smoke. Wow, this car is so quiet. Alright, let's go to the gas station. What do you want to do?
Make sure you get the phone really close to your face, dude.
Mark wants to make sure I get the phone really close to my face, everybody. All right, everybody. Ready to go?
Yeah. Okay, now, you know how to work the phone?
Yeah. Let's just meet up at the gas station so I can put in like 10 more bucks. Or should I put like 20, you think?
Why not just fill it up?
How much do you think fits in there?
I don't know, it's been so long. Just fill it up.
You know what, I'll put 25.
But you gotta use premium.
Really?
You don't read labels.
Dude, I just put the cheap shit.
Yeah, well, that was only 1.4.
Okay.
That's why you gotta put in premium.
This needs premium?
Dude, why don't you read labels?
Dude, this car needs premium. Let's go to the gas station, dude. Come on.
Why don't you read labels?
Come on, dude, let's go.
Answer my question.
Dude,
Answer my question.
you gave me the fucking car. Where does it say premium?
You didn't read the label on the gas.
Seriously?
The gas flap? There's nothing on there about premium?
I don't know, dude. Unleaded fuel only. Premium, minimum 87 though.
Is it number 87?
Premium recommended, minimum 87.
Yeah, premium recommended.
Uh-huh.
So fill it up with 89.
Which is the good stuff?
Which is in between. What's that?
He wants me to put the medium stuff. All right, let's go to the gas station, dude.
87, dude. You in a pinch. Like if you're out in the middle of the desert, and there's only one gas station, only one pump is working, it'll take 87.
We'll be at the gas station next.
But if you want good performance, dude, this car is small.
Okay, made it to the gas station. We're gonna hop on the freeway. This is gonna end this video.
Closer.
Like, comment, subscribe, share. Driving the 1995 Volkswagen Jetta VR6. I'm gonna go do a couple projects on it, but so far so good. Just gotta add some gas to it, and then we'll go from there. All right, everybody, catch you on the next one. Thank you.
Closer. Dude, I can't believe this.